Hi there, it's Wendy Bottrell from wendybottrell.com, and I'm just out for my morning walk. And I wanted to share an idea. I was having a conversation with a friend, and we were talking about the lost art of cooking at home. The lost art of cooking. Many people today don't cook. They buy packaged food, junk food, processed food, but they don't cook in their kitchen. And many people don't sit down at a table together and eat. And it's a very, very powerful thing for your health, your well-being, and your fitness. I've heard it said you can't out-train a bad diet. And you know, this is an important point. If you're not eating the highest quality food for yourself, if you're not cooking at home, you can't control the food. And so, you know, that's one of the benefits of doing this. So how do you develop the skill of cooking? I've worked with a number of clients on this idea. You find 3 recipes that you feel that you would enjoy. You buy the highest quality ingredients you can buy, knowing that organic fruit and veggies are best. Pastured proteins, meat, beef, poultry, chicken, so forth. Wild fish, they're the best. And good fats, olive oil, coconut oil, ghee, and tallow are very good fats. And you begin practicing those recipes and eat at the table. And once you can make those recipes without the recipe in front of you, now you know those. Now you can mix and match those recipes and have a number of different meals for yourself and your family. And once you've learned those 3, go out and learn 3 more. And repeat this as often as many meals as you want to have in your new skill of cooking repertoire. So we'd love to hear from you. Do you cook at home? Are you interested in learning the skill of cooking for your best health and fitness? Share your comments. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Join our newsletter. The link will be in the pinned comments. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Enjoy.